Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is for Evie, who is celebrating her 8th birthday today. Happy birthday, Evie. And I was asked if I could draw her hamster Milo. Now, I know most hamsters go running on wheels or in those little plastic balls, but I thought it'd be more fun to show Milo out and about jogging. So that's what we're going to draw today. Shall we make a start? First we'll draw Milo's ear. Almost sort of sausage shaped, and I thought rather than have him on all fours, I quite like it when they run round the wheels and they almost look like they're running a bit like humans. So let's put his little leg in here. And hamsters normally live in burrows, but today we're going to have Milo out and about, and we're going to have him running in the Syrian desert. A lot of hamsters originate from Syria. I had a look into the landscape there and thought it would be interesting to draw. I'd put a little headband on him, make him look like a true running professional. His nose coming out. Put a little smile into his huge cheeks. And I was also reading that hamsters can actually double the size of their head because they have these pouches in their cheeks that they fill with nuts and seeds and fruit, and they can double the size of their head if they eat too much. Let's put some speed lines on his arms as though swinging those back and forth, and this little foot outstretched at the back. He's looking very speedy. My son has a hamster, and whenever we get him out, he always looks as though he wants to escape somewhere, so bit of fur detail in his other ear. Let's put that desert I was talking about in the background, the Syrian mountain range. And apparently hamsters have got very poor eyesight, and they mostly use scent to find their way, and that's why if you have a hamster and you get a peanut out or something they really like, you can kind of see them sniff and then get excited as they get nearer. They can probably smell it more and more. There's the sun beating down on Milo's back there, and that would stretch out this shadow in front of him. Let's cool him off with some clouds and give him some cover. And apparently there's 25 species of hamster, so I'm not quite sure which one Milo is. I hope I've got him right. I know that he's grey with a kind of white Go Faster stripes on. Okay, just put the edge of the desert there. Just put some Go Faster stripes in. And his little legs sprinting away there. And some more detail on these mountains. Let's put some beads of perspiration. I imagine running with a furry coat like that, he'd get incredibly hot. He's even got his little tongue out there. So there we have it. I think that's our drawing done for the day. There is Milo going for a jog in the Syrian desert. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one, Evie. Happy birthday. Do remember that if you subscribe, you get to know when I release new Add Arts. If you've enjoyed following along with this drawing lesson today, then give me a like. I do appreciate that. And if you want to ask for a request, like Milo running in a desert, then you can get a grown-up to get in contact with me on my Instagram account, which is @add_art_king, and either leave a comment or direct message me on there, and I'll perhaps choose yours to draw in the future. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.